giving us a better future. But sadly, in today's world,
So corruption refers to the when one individual use his power in negative way that
which is not good for their studies and health also, because it offers a binge watching.
We enjoy every peaceful time, so once it is gone, we can never get it back.
Use Facebook, Instagram and
American Institute एक मिसाल
Okay, good evening everyone. So, how are you all? Okay, so I have heard that you are going to speak something on the stage. Are you? Yes, sir. Okay, a little bird told me that you are going to deliver a speech over here. Like I'm walking over here, you have to walk in the same way. Okay, while walking over here, this is called, ramp. Ramp walk hogi aaj, but that would be in English. It means you have to keep walking as well. You don't need to just keep walking. You have to show your potential, you have to show your caliber, you have to show your determination to speak something on the stage, okay? To speak like a rock star, because we have nothing to lose, we have everything to win. We are in the win-win situation. So make sure you don't get nervous. Come on, be seated first. Come on, take your seat and we will talk about it. Okay? So you will start coming on the stage and you have to keep walking. अपने पैरों को अंदर रखें बच्चे, come on. Otherwise पता लगेगा किसी को ऐसे कोई उलझा देंगे and that person will trip over and he will collapse over here. So कोशिश करेंगे आप बिल्कुल सही बैठेंगे, इतने अंदर भी पैरों को नहीं घुसाना है, आराम से नॉर्मल सीधे रखिए, बस बाहर मत निकालिए ऐसे करके. कई लोग when they sit on the chair they become बाहुबली, उनका अलग स्टाइल, ऐसे लंबा पैर करके, तो ऐसे नहीं करना है आपको. So ready हैं आप स्पीकिंग के लिए? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. On the count of 3 you will start coming on the stage and I will see how you are going to speak. And I hope you will put the stage on the fire today. This is your stage and you have to put it on the fire. Can you do that? Yes, sir. Can you do that? Yes, sir. Are you getting sleepy? तो आज शुरुआत करने वाले हैं इस जबरदस्त ओकेजन की, सेशन की, एक्टिविटी की, and I hope कि आप मेरा दिल खुश कर देंगे. Today I'm gonna be very happy. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So come on, let's start. Come on the stage. Okay, come on. So come on guys, put your hands together for Nitin. Nitin, come on the stage. Okay, good.
So hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Nitin and today I am here to speak on a very important topic. So my topic is corruption in hospital. So before beginning the topic, I would like to thank our respected sir who gave me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you all with this important topic. So thank you sir.
Okay,
So,
welcome.
As I said earlier, it is a very crucial topic. So corruption is bad and it is getting over all over the world and rapidly and spreading widely. So today I am going to speak on certain corruption that is occurring in hospitals. So before beginning the corruption in hospitals, I would like to tell you about what corruption really is. Some of you might have think that corruption refers to taking or giving bribes. So that's not all. There are so much more into it. So corruption refers to the when one individual use his power in negative way that that give his that give his very much personal gain. So
Good.
so as you might have the idea now what corruption is. So now let's forward to what corruption is in hospitals. So corruption in hospitals occurs in various ways, such as misuse of equipments, overuse of drugs, and fake billing. So for example, I have heard news a few days ago that in a hospital a poor man dies due to lack of equipments in hospital, so which is very bad. And it is a very critical situation that a country is dealing, because most of our country is developing right now and comes in middle class. So corruption is making a health system very poor, which is leading us to an impreventable that can be saved by the doctors. So in order to solve this problem, I have wrote down various points that I want to share with you all. So may I? Yes. So my first topic is transparent recruitments. So as some of you might have known that recruitment can be done by taking or giving bribes. So making the recruitment transparent can help in reduction in corruptions, as people will select on the basis of their merit, not on the bribe that they will give the recruiter. So, and the second is encourage hospital staff to give the information who is taking corruptions, or who is taking money from people that are in need. So that can prevent also corruption from happening in hospitals, as people will will keep their privacy and will talk about the corruptions safely to an department or an individual that they feel safe with. So, and the third option that I want to say about prevention for corruption is providing enough facilities and equipments to government hospitals. As all of you have known that people go to private hospitals, as right now government hospitals do not have enough equipments and enough facilities in order to provide the treatment for the poor, and that causes in people going to private college, so they have to give so much amount that they don't have to in order to keep their survival. So as a conclusion, I might say that hospitals are not just a form of making money, it is a place that saves many people's lives. And in hospitals, making staff checks regularly and noticing the equipment that are there or not can help in preventing these situations. So that's all for my research. So thank you.
Good. Oh, good effort. Very good effort by Nitin. So now I would like to call Sita. Sita, come on. Show your potential, show your energy, and tell people that you can speak like a rock star.
So, good evening everyone. As you know, my name is Sita, and today I would like to talk about a very emotional and heartbreaking issue, which is the youth abandoning their parents. So, firstly, I would like to thank my parents that I have a very precious thing that I could survive in the world. So, thanks to them. So I think parents is our foundation of our lives. So from the moment we were born, they guide us, they teach us, and they sacrifice all their happiness for giving us a better future. But sadly, in today's world, so many youngsters you saw easily that they forget their values, forget their emotions, and then they grow up, they get a job, and they getting married. They forget their parents and leave them behind, not physically, emotionally too. So I think this is very wrong thing I experience in my life. So I have one question from all you guys, that of course you will heard about a old age home. Are you? Yes.
We have her.
So old age home is made for those people who have no relatives in the world. I think that the old age home is made for them. But in today's world, we can see easily, we can found easily that so many people take advantage of this place. Like they will leave their parents in old age home. Why? Because they want freedom in their life, because they want independence in their life. But I think this is not a independence. This is not a freedom. If you are not able to take care your family members, this is a very wrong thing, I would say. Like when you born, I think like when you were born, they being with you always. If when you start walking, I mean when you start learning to how to walk, they always just with you, like hold your hand and teach you how to walk, how to talk. These kind of things they always did for you. and what you return, what think you return in back to them. Like you are literally not able to feed, not able to provide a 2 time of food to them. So this is very ridiculous thing I ever experienced and ever seen in the society. Those people who left their parents in old age home, how could they survive in their home? Like that home they made from their hard working, like they grow up the foundation of their house, but you leave your parents in old age home. This is very ridiculous thing I like to say, and I am requesting to all of you, like don't abandon your parents. Don't abandon your parents. Hold their hands, love them, and like hold their hands just like they were held you once. Thank you.
Good. Very good.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shilpa, and today I am glad to here with you for this opportunity, and I really thankful to my respected teacher Chauhan sir for giving me this opportunity. So my topic is there is no second life. So shall I start?
Yes.
So guys, today I am standing with you, front of you, with the often hard truth is our life, and is truth is there is no second life, and we think about that we have a endless time in our life and endless life we have, but no, this is not true. We put our all tasks to next day, next week, next month, and next year. But it does not work anyway, because we don't serious about our life, our time, and our time, and we think about we have a endless time, and we focusing about what we have not perfectly, what we lost in past, what we wrong going with us, but nobody can think about what we have beautiful, what we have peaceful life in today. We enjoy every life, we enjoy every smile, we enjoy every moment, we enjoy every peaceful time. So peaceful time in today, so we should have happiness in our life, for no reason, without sadness, and we can't rewind our life, we can't pause our life, because time is waiting for us, even anyone. So please, I requested to you, everyone, please happiness, please happy, and
Please stay happy.
please stay happy and energetic our life. Eat well, eat well,
Healthy.
eat healthy, live wealthy, and also get for better opportunity and enjoy your life. Thank you.
Three.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today I want to speak upon a topic. It's her choice. So shall I start?
Yes.
So guys, it's her choice phrase comes in the rumors when a reality show called MTV Roadies, where a boy came in the auditions and he said that he slapped his girlfriend because she had 5 boyfriends at a time, so he slapped her. So in my perspective, hit someone is not a good choice, it is a violence. If someone is cheat you, so leave them, don't be violence to anyone. But people use this phrase use it in a bad way for the girls. But we will see that in the both the genders, even a boys or girl, there is a both personally you will find bad one and good one both. And but the mentality of our culture is that they put all the blame on the girls. And you will also see if in a family a boy have a girlfriend, so their parents will happy, yeah, our boy became younger. But when it comes to the girls, they will react like the end of the life. But we should the neutral for the boys and the girls, for the both. And that's all that I want to tell you.
Thank you very much for.
Thank you very much for listening to me.
Okay, guys, very nice effort by Kapil. So now I would like to call Kanishka on the stage. Kanishka, come on the stage to show your potential, your caliber, your confidence. Come on. Clapping for her. Stop.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Kanishka. Today I'm glad to be here to share a topic which is there is no second chance. And thanks to Chauhan sir who gave me this golden opportunity, and
Keep
all
walking.
of you who being there. And shall I start? Yes. Sorry, sure. Okay. I want to remind you guys that life is very precious and very unique. That we have only one chance to live, to love, to leave our mark on this earth. And we don't have any other life to live, to love, and no remind. Every moment is a gift, so unwrap it with gratitude and passion. And so let's focus on what truly matters: our relationship, our passion, and our purpose. And live in the present, don't dwelling on the past and not worrying about future. Let's catch every opportunity, take risks, and pursue our dreams, because there is no second chance in our life. And guys, in the end, I want to tell you that there is don't waste your time. It is very precious time, and it is very precious life. And don't waste your time. And life is one-time gift. And make every moment count. And that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, nice effort.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I am going to share my there is no second life. So shall I start?
Yes.
Today I am not just here to give a speech. I am just here rewind your sometime most every single day. There is not second life, and not a reset button, not a rewind, and no will try again later. And we get only one chance in your life, and we wait for the right time to say a sorry. We wait for the perfect moment and follow our dreams, and we wait for the give a permission. Life is quality, and but we are waiting for chasing time in quality. And I know people how spent their lives because chasing a money, but lost the family, and I will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow will never come. There is not a rehearsal. This is a real stage. Did you love honesty? Did you live fully? Did you matter only someone? There is not second life So make a unforgettable. So thank you.
Put your hands together for Aisha. Come on.
So good evening everyone, my name is Aisha and today I tell you about the money is the power. Everyone knows money is the power because just because it is the way you can purchase anything, you can go anywhere, you can eat whatever you want, you can buy everything. In fact, you can buy respect also. Having a money you can do out of country and at all. In our generation, having a money it's mean having a freedom. Money give us the access to quality like education, healthcare and
And
justice also.
Okay.
Like if you have a money you can hire a good lawyer, best lawyer and good teacher also and best doctor also. If you don't have money you can't buy that and can't hire at all. A rich everyone want to become a rich man and become successful in their life, but if you have no money you cannot, but can't buy the love and happiness. So if you have money you can buy everything, but you can't buy happiness, peace and love also. Everyone want to become a successful and a rich man, but they were not ready to do practice and do hard work in their life, but they want to become a rich man and they want to live in their luxury life also. That's it. Money is the power. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening everyone.
Very good evening.
My name is Mayank and today I am going to share my topic with you. First of all, I thank to my teacher who gave me a wonderful opportunity to meet. Everyone know about OTT. Everyone know about OTT. OTT likes Netflix, Prime Video and Hotstar have changed how we see the world. Have changed how we watch shows and movies. We no longer to wait. We can watch anything, anywhere, anytime. They also give opportunity to the new actors and creators who may not get chance in traditional cinema. OTT also publish releases and movie serials and shows. Some show might came on the TV and OTT also. Now we move toward the downside of the OTT. Some people might have watching OTT for an hour, which can harm our health and it wastes a lot of time. Some content may not suitable for the younger. Now we enter our topics. It depends on you how you use it. By balance and care, it is a great source of learning and entertaining. Thank you.
Good. Okay, nice effort. अच्छा effort था. Good. So now Raj is coming on the stage. Raj, come on the stage. The people are waiting for you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Raj Singh. I want to share my topic. My topic is buying a four-wheeler is waste of money. So shall I start? Buying a four-wheeler. Buying a four-wheeler can be seen as a waste of money. I have several reasons. First of all, many people thought when buy a car is cost of price tag, but they are wrong. Once buy a car, we paid extra premium insurance, fuel, and pollution. That is my point. So we want to buy two-wheeler and public transport. Thank you.
Okay, nice effort. Nice. So come on, put your hands together for Pooja. Come on, everybody. Come on, all together. Good.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Today I am here to speak on most important topic. Time is money. We all have heard about this famous saying, but what does it really means? Just like money, time is very valuable. Once it is gone, we can never get it back. If we waste our time on useless things, we are losing something. We are losing something even more precious than money. If we use our time, we can achieve success, earn money, and live a better life. Let me ask a question to all of you. Have you ever wasted your time on your phone or TV and later you regretted it? Imagine a student who spend time studying every day. That student investing time like just saving money and will get great results. On the other hand, a student who wastes time playing all day and may face failure. Let's remember, time is not just money, it is our life. Great leaders like scientists and some successful people value every second. They have they plan their time and never waste it. That's why they are successful today. So my friends, don't waste your time on useless things. Use your time on growth, learn growth, and build your success future. Thank you.
Good. बहुत अच्छा है बट आप पूजा का. Everybody clapping for Prince.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Prince Misra. Today I am going to share about time is money. Time is the most important in your life. So don't waste your time. In many time, all people are many time using mobile phone, TV, and like use Facebook, Instagram, and we cannot manage your time and we are not success in your life.
Wonderful. बहुत बढ़िया clapping. बहुत जबरदस्त. Come on, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Piyush.
and I am here to speak about the topic. Are OTT platforms good or bad? Do you watch OTT platforms? Yes. I also watch, and I want to speak about something about OTT platforms. OTT platforms are a good way to watch anime, comedy shows, and documentaries, and even fighting type movies, and you can watch from anywhere and any time, and you can access through if you go to theater, you have to buy the tickets, and ticket prices are higher, like something 500, 700, and recliners type. And in OTT platforms like Netflix or Netflix, Prime, Hotstar, you can access through some amount of money under 500. You can access through your parents' mobile, and they don't have any option like are you 18 plus years or above. So it's a bad thing. And the one major bad thing is today youth children's are not studying. They are watching OTT platforms, which is not good for their studies and health also, because it offers a binge watching. And if you have you ever noticed, if you open an OTT platforms and you see a movie which you want to see, you will when you are watching the movie, you don't notice the time, which is one major bad thing. And